Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be reviewing the Apache MHL Moving Average for MT5. It's a gold expert advisor that combines a moving average breakout approach with Martingale risk management. A quick note before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Now, this expert advisor is available for both MT4 and MT5. As you can see, this is the MT4 version here. All right. And this is the MT5 version. So you are covered whether you are using MT4 or MT5. Okay. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to be explaining on the MT5 page. Okay. Now, this expert advisor was developed by Paulo Roberto da Costa, currently on version 1.9, and it was last updated on the 6th of June 2026 with 5 activations available. The page links to a live signal that is reportedly been active for 16 months with over 6,800 trades on a standard account at 1:400 leverage. Okay. So based on what I can see here, we're 9,000% growth since 2024, 83 weeks. All right. Okay, so the pricing sits at $1,500 to buy, or you can rent it monthly for $70 with longer rental terms offering bigger discounts up to 26% off for a full year. Now, according to the description, Apache MHL operates on gold using moving average based strategies combined with Martingale risk management with an RSI filter used to help confirm the strength of a move. It combines multiple moving averages to identify potential breakout points, and when price breaks above or below those levels by a user-defined margin, it opens buy or sell orders accordingly, respecting spacing parameters set by the user. Now, with respect to risk management, the page is upfront and direct about this. It implements a martingale strategy that increases lot size on subsequent orders after a loss up to a configurable maximum number of repetitions based on specific distances and multipliers of the initial lot. It also mentions, or rather, it also monitors the combined profit of all its open positions and automatically closes everything when the accumulated profit reaches the configured target. The developer describes this directly as a system built for traders looking to automate breakout strategies with, in their words, a touch of martingale and the use of grid in orders. So this is explicitly not a martingale free or grid free system, and that is worth keeping in mind going in. Settings wise, there is a fairly deep level of control: lot multiplier, moving average periods, trading hours and order quantity limit, breakout and martingale, spacing distances, take profit, stop loss, the RSI filter, and the maximum number of martingale steps. There is also an on-chart panel showing the number of open trades and the EA's current operational status. The developer is upfront that while the tool has the technical capacity for a high success rate, it isn't presented as a guaranteed profit system and recommends combining it with the trader's own manual analysis and rigorous risk management. Okay, so now let us get into the historical testing. I ran this on a $10,000 account, and the test was conducted on gold on the H1 time frame covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. The total net profit for that period came out to $3,310. Breaking that down, the gross profit was $8,090.91 against the gross loss of around $4,780.2, giving a profit factor of 1.69. The maximum balance drawdown was contained at 4.31%, but equity drawdown reached notably higher at 14.37%. All right. And that gap between balance and equity drawdown is worth paying attention to, since it reflects the kind of floating exposure that you would expect from a system that uses grid and martingale style order stacking while a cycle is still open. Now, out of 2,589 total trades, a genuinely high frequency consistent with the 6,800 trades in 16 months figure on the signal page, just over 84% were profitable. So to wrap up, based on the available information, Apache MHL delivered a positive result in this test with a reasonably strong profit factor, but it does so using a martingale and grid based structure, which the developer states outright on the page. That combination can mean that a losing streak, especially at higher martingale steps, has the potential to produce deeper floating drawdown than the closed trade numbers alone might suggest. Now, as with any grid or martingale based system, I'm going to recommend paying close attention to the maximum martingale steps and lot multiplier that you configure, running your own extended testing across different periods and forward testing on demo before committing real capital. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.